Hey friends, Caleb here with Prima Coffee. Today we're taking a look at Cafiza from Urnex. If you're a barista, if you worked in a coffee shop or a restaurant that serves espresso, you've probably heard of Cafiza, as it is a very popular detergent for cleaning espresso machines. It's very widely used. It's a part of your daily process of cleaning and maintaining your machine. When that's not done, coffee oil and residue can build up in your machine and cause your coffee to taste off, get some rancid, bitter notes in your coffee. It can also build up and have a very negative effect on your machine, possibly break it down. So the process is very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and just walk through it. Just walk through a basic back flushing process. What you do is you're gonna add about 3 grams of Cafiza to the basket, to a blind portafilter basket, and then what you do is just insert it right into the group head, lock it in place, and then for a manual actuator like this, we're gonna turn it on for 10 seconds, let it sit for 10 seconds, and do that 5 times. If you have a machine with an automatic cleaning cycle, you're just gonna turn it on and let it do its thing. So we'll turn this on, let it run for about 10 seconds, and then once that's finished, we'll cut it off. And you're gonna do that a total of 5 times, and then after that, you remove the portafilter, dump it out, rinse it out, get all the detergent off of there. And then you're gonna do the same exact thing without detergent in there. You're gonna lock it in, turn it back on, kind of get as much of that out of there as possible. One thing to note is that you do have to have an espresso machine with a three-way valve, as it could potentially damage your machine if you don't have that. So if you don't know if you do or not, check your owner's manual or contact us. We'd love to help you out. So yeah, turn that back off, just empty it out, and then be sure to when you're dialing in to just discard the first shot, as there might be some leftover detergent in there. Now, Cafiza is not only good for back flushing. You can also use it to soak different parts of your espresso machine. So your portafilter, your basket, the shower screens and the screws in there, you can drop it into a bucket, pour 1 liter of water to 6 grams of Cafiza, let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes and you're good to go. Just kind of rinse it off afterwards. Cafiza is also good for cleaning batch brewers, as well as roasting equipment. So that's kind of interesting. Anyway, so that is the Cafiza from Urnex. Thanks for watching.